It's time to get acquainted with the Cryptomus P2P Exchange. A P2P cryptocurrency exchange is a solution that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users without involving a third party. You create your own buy or sell ads at your desired price. The explicit advantages include security, privacy, low fees, and fast transaction processing. To start trading on the P2P exchange, you need to register or log in to your Cryptomus account. After logging into your account, you will see three types of wallets on the dashboard's main page: personal, business, P2P. Before using the P2P wallet, you need to deposit funds, which can be done using your personal wallet. Click the Trade Now button and access the Cryptomus P2P exchange. First, you will see available buy and sell ads for cryptocurrencies. You can set the necessary filters or use the search bar to find the desired ad. A little higher, we switch to the My Trades tab, where we can track our transactions. To view the details of a trade or open a chat with a seller or buyer, simply click on the corresponding option. By accessing the My Ads tab, you can manage your ads, change their status, modify the details, or delete the listing. The My Chats tab contains all your conversations with sellers and buyers. How to buy or sell cryptocurrency using the Cryptomus P2P exchange. You can create your own advertisement to sell cryptocurrency or buy cryptocurrency from another user. To place an ad to buy or sell cryptocurrency, you need to click the Post Ads button. Choose whether you want to buy or sell cryptocurrency. The next step is to set the currency, amount, and limit for your trade. Click Continue and choose the payment method, region, and description, optional, as well as the price. Then, you just need to set the status and privacy details for your advertisement, and you're done. On the main exchange page, you can observe existing orders and choose to execute one of them. You can use filters or the search function to find a suitable offer. Go to the Buy Sell tab. View the list of existing deals and click on the appropriate one. Set the desired amount. Proceed with the trade with the seller or buyer. Complete the purchase or sale. As you can see, buying or selling cryptocurrency is very simple, and you don't have to worry about security. We use advanced encryption technologies to protect your data, and our two-factor authentication ensures that only you have access to your account. If you have any questions, our support specialists are always available. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more useful information.